na ang package. Yay! Let's open it, guys. After 50 days of waiting, finally, na-receive ko na siya. I'm so excited to see what is inside. May puso. Pinusuan talaga ang package na to. Maraming salamat. Wow. Ang dami naman to. Ano to? Towel. Cooling towel. Tuscany candle cinnamon flavor. Next, wow, ang bango niya, guys. So ganda, very very nice. I love it. Ang ganda. Isusuot ko to mamaya, guys. Tingnan niyo mamaya. Wow, ang ganda din niya. I love the color. Yumi dress. Super ganda, guys. Thank you so much. Ito stripe dress. Wow. Akala ko apron, pero ang ganda niya pala, guys. Wow, nice din, guys. With face mask pa. So cute. Tingnan niyo. Very, very cute. I love it. Next. Oh, flower dress. Parang yayamanin na dress, guys. Ang ganda din niya. Oh, my glove. Hi. Wow, another flowery socks. I love it. Wow, ang dami ng airheads candies with different flavors. Aba! Ano kayang laman sa bag na ito? Oh, ang bigat. Madaming candies, guys. Wow, thank you so much for the candies. open siya, guys. To Feifei. Lisod basahon. Wow, Hello Panda chocolate flavor. Ano to? Gucci roll. Dami. Thank you very much. I don't know what to say, but I am so grateful to you guys for sending these wonderful stuffs. You made me happy and speechless. I also like this face mask very much. May tag pa, guys. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. Forever 21 ang nakasulat. Pwede din siya i-adjust. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba nice? Throughout life, you will meet one person who is like no other. Salamat sa sponsors. You know who you are, guys. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more, according to Ruben Sharp. And the more you give, the more you receive. I pray that God will bless you more. Your gesture, although much unexpected, is a reminder that there are still good people in this world. You did not have to do the extraordinary thing that you did, but you did it anyway. And for that, I will be forever grateful. Sensya, guys, nalipong gid ko ani og tuyok-tuyok kay giganahan kay ko sa sanina. First time ginakasanina og inani. Mamahalin. Salamat sa sponsors again. Dili ko makasanina kung wala ni nga sponsor. Dili ko ka-afford sa mga mamahalin na mga dresses. Mo ni siya ang yayamanin. Mahal. According sa iyahang tag. Kaya napa sila tags, guys. Since siya na mo sa model, dili ka pala. Feel kayo ni Dhanei iyahang top. Sige rag pa namin. Dugay kay mahuman sige og paso-paso eh. So guys, i-try na ko ang face mask. Kay mo na siya ang Paris aning top na face mask. Wow. Nice kaayo. Picture diha Dhanei. Ako'y nalimtan og open guys. Mo daw ni siya ang cooling towel. So pwede nimo ni siya basahan og tubig, tapos kung giigang ka, imo ni siya ibutang sa imong likod para mabugnawan. Tadang! Mo na guys, bitaw wala pa. Ganan kay ko ani nga medyas. Ug sa humot nga mga sanina. I believe that kindness has the power to change the world. Your kind deed will go a long way. I want you to know how much I appreciate you and your act of kindness. May your life be blessed even more. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love, love. I love all of it. Thank you very much. Thank you for the love and kindness for me. Before I end this video, I will read the letter. Lord, I pray my friend will be close to you eternally. Dear God, please keep my family, friends, and loved ones safe. Please watch over them always and let good health, happiness, and good fortune befall them. Amen.